on hand to answer any technical questions that might be posed at us from a customer perspective. And I think if I was a customer in that respect, I would find it more comforting coming from a technical expert.
And we don't have to forget that at the end of the day, when we help our customers, then they end up saving lives one way or another.
One thing that resonates with me is that we're constantly trying to be flexible, trying to understand, that customers don't necessarily need what we have off the shelf, but they need something maybe slightly modified or optimized for their own applications. And that's something that we're really focused on.
So working with our customers in all their different applications, we can offer them a large range of products to start with, and then have the technical expertise to support them in making sure they're getting the right fit for their application.
What really differentiates us is our flexibility, and that is about our customized solutions. That is very unique, and we plan to continue to invest on that to even differentiate it more.
And we're able to balance the large-scale capabilities and experience that we have with a very individual approach.
The customers in need, they want somebody that's going to be there. They want somebody that's reliable, that shares information, that makes them feel confident in what is an increasingly regulated environment. I think that's really critical.
One of the focuses we have with the custom process as well is giving quotes out in quite a timely manner to help maintain that relationship with customers as well.